All right, so we are trying to prove that angle 2 is congruent to angle 5. So if we look at the given information, we're told that P is parallel to M, putting those in on red there, and that is, our reason for that is given. If we then look at angle 2 and angle 3, we can see that those are congruent, and if we look at where that is, with P being parallel to M and the transversal being N, that those are all excuse me, those are alternate interior angles. And so we're going to say that parallel lines imply that alternate interior angles are congruent. Let's look at our next piece of given information. Tells us that N is parallel to T. I'm going to write that in blue, and that is given. And then if we look at where angle 3 is in comparison to angle 5, considering that the two blue lines are parallel and that line M is the transversal, then that would mean that angle 3 is congruent to angle 5 because they're corresponding angles. So parallel lines imply that corresponding angles are congruent. And so then if we look at what we have here, if we look at what we have in our statement for B and our statement for D, we can see that both of those have that angle 3 in there. And so therefore we can replace that and say that angle 2 is congruent to angle 5, and that would be through substitution.